Planning your dream beach vacation? Today, you'll master 150 essential words to speak like a pro. Stick around until the end. My secret teacher tips will save your trip. Sunscreen. Sunscreen. Apply sunscreen before you swim. Sunbed. Sunbed. I reserved a sunbed today. Goggles. Goggles. Use goggles to see fish. Towel. Towel. Dry yourself with this towel. Waves. Waves. The waves are very high. Sand. Sand. The sand is very hot. Umbrella. Umbrella. Sit under the large umbrella. Swimsuit. Swimsuit. She bought a blue swimsuit. Flip-flops. Flip-flops. Wear flip-flops on the sand. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. These sunglasses protect my eyes. Hat. Hat. Put on your straw hat. Ocean. Ocean. The ocean looks very calm. Breeze. Breeze. I love the sea breeze. Shell. Shell. I found a beautiful shell. Shore. Shore. We walked along the shore. Palm. Palm. Sit under the palm tree. Resort. Resort. This resort has 3 pools. Cruise. Cruise. We went on a cruise. Island. Island. The island is very small. Reef. Reef. Divers explore the coral reef. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Snorkel. Snorkel. He uses a long snorkel. Fins. Fins. Fins help you swim faster. Surfboard. Surfboard. He carries a heavy surfboard. Kayak. Kayak. Let's rent a yellow kayak. Yacht. Yacht. The yacht is very expensive. Coast. Coast. They live near the coast. Pebble. Pebble. I picked up a pebble. Cliff. Cliff. Do not stand near cliff. Horizon. Horizon. Look at the distant horizon. Sunset. Sunset. The sunset is very romantic. Sunrise. Sunrise. We watched the early sunrise. Seagull. Seagull. The seagull wants my food. Crab. Crab. A crab ran sideways fast. Starfish. Starfish. Look at the red starfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Avoid that clear jellyfish now. Dolphin. Dolphin. We saw a friendly dolphin. Whale. Whale. The whale is very large. Turtle. Turtle. The sea turtle swims slowly. Coral. Coral. Do not touch the coral. Algae. Algae. The water has green algae. Current. Current. The water current is strong. Tide. Tide. The tide is coming in. Lagoon. Lagoon. This lagoon is very shallow. Bay. Bay. Ships wait in the bay. Cove. Cove. We found a secret cove. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours for safety. Picnic. Picnic. Let's have a beach picnic. Cooler. Cooler. Put drinks in the cooler. Ice cream. Ice cream. I want chocolate ice cream. Lemonade. Lemonade. Drink some cold lemonade now. Cocktail. Cocktail. She ordered a fruit cocktail. Coconut. Coconut. Drink juice from the coconut. Pineapple. Pineapple. This pineapple is very sweet. Mango. Mango. I love eating fresh mango. Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon is a summer fruit. Bagu. Bagu. We had a beach barbecue. Grill. Grill. Put the fish on grill. Deck. Deck. Relax on the wooden deck. Pier. Pier. Walk to the long pier. Marina. Marina. Boats are in the marina. Harbor. Harbor. The harbor is very busy. Boat. Boat. We rented a small boat. Sail. Sail. The sail is very white. Anchor. Anchor. Drop the anchor right here. Compass. Compass. Use a compass for north. Map. Map. Check the tourist map now. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Suitcase. Suitcase. Pack your heavy suitcase early. Backpack. Backpack. Put snacks in your backpack. Passport. Passport. Do not lose your passport. Ticket. Ticket. Show your plane ticket here. Camera. Camera. Take photos with your camera. Photo. Photo. This is a great photo. Memory. Memory. We made a happy memory. Souvenir. Souvenir. Buy a small souvenir here. Postcard. Postcard. Send a postcard to Mom. Stamp. Stamp. Buy a stamp for mail. Flight. Flight. Our flight is at noon. Pilot. Pilot. The pilot is very nice. Airport. Airport. The airport is very big. Taxi. Taxi. Call a taxi for us. Bus. Bus. Take the bus to beach. Train. Train. The train leaves at 8. Bicycle. Bicycle. Rent a bicycle for today. Scooter. Scooter. He rides a fast scooter. Hike. Hike. Let's go for a hike. Trail. Trail. Follow the mountain trail now. Forest. Forest. The forest is very cool. Mountain. Mountain. The mountain is very high. Valley. Valley. The valley is green today. Waterfall. Waterfall. This waterfall is very beautiful. River. River. The river water is cold. Pack a small first aid kit for emergencies. Tent. Tent. We slept in a tent. Camp. Camp. They like to camp outside. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. My sleeping bag is warm. Flashlight. Flashlight. Use a flashlight at night. Fire. Fire. Build a small campfire. Stars. Stars. Look at the bright stars. Moon. Moon. The moon is very full. Sky. Sky. The sky is very clear. Cloud. Cloud. I see a white cloud. Rain. Rain. Summer rain feels very good. Storm. Storm. A storm is coming soon. Wind. Wind. The wind is very strong. Heat. Heat. I cannot stand this heat. Humidity. Humidity. The humidity is very high. Sweat. Sweat. I sweat in the sun. Shade. Shade. Stay in the cool shade. Fan. Fan. Turn on the electric fan. AC. AC. The AC is very cold. Bed. Bed. The hotel bed is soft. Pillow. Pillow. I need a soft pillow. Blanket. Blanket. Use a thin summer blanket. Shower. Shower. Take a cold shower now. Soap. Soap. This soap smells like lemon. Shampoo. Shampoo. Wash hair with this shampoo. Mirror. Mirror. Look in the bathroom mirror. Key. Key. Do not forget hotel key. Lobby. Lobby. Meet me in the lobby. Reception. Reception. Talk to the reception desk. Staff. Staff. The hotel staff is helpful. Guest. Guest. You are our special guest. Always swim where lifeguards are present. Breakfast. Breakfast. Breakfast is served at 7. Lunch. Lunch. Let's eat lunch by pool. Dinner. Dinner. We had a seafood dinner. Snack. Snack. I need a light snack. Buffet. Buffet. The buffet has many foods. Menu. Menu. Read the food menu carefully. Waiter. Waiter. The waiter is very fast. Tip. Tip. Leave a tip for service. Cash. Cash. I have some local cash. Wallet. Wallet. Keep your wallet very safe. Phone. Phone. Charge your phone at night. Charger. Charger. I forgot my phone charger. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is very slow. Game. Game. Let's play a fun game. Ball. Ball. Throw the beach ball now. Frisbee. Frisbee. Throw the frisbee to me. Kite. Kite. Fly a kite today. Sandcastle. Sandcastle. Build a big sandcastle here. Bucket. Bucket. Fill the bucket with water. Spade. Spade. Use the spade for sand. Rake. Rake. Use the rake for shells. Net. Net. Catch fish with a net. Fishing. Fishing. Go fishing on the boat. Rope. Rope. Tie the boat with rope. Lifeboat. Lifeboat. The ship has a lifeboat. Lifebelt. Lifebelt. Wear a lifebelt for safety. Vest. Vest. Put on your life vest. Float. Float. Use a float in pool. 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 The pool water is warm. Holiday. Holiday. I love my summer holiday. You're now beach ready. But do you know the hidden vocabulary for luxury hotels? Click the next video to master travel English and never get lost again.